This we are going to discuss about the matrices. Okay, what is the matrix? What is the matrix? It is a rectangular arrangement, of m rows, okay, m rows and n columns up to n columns. Okay, so matrix is a rectangular arrangement of mn numbers having m rows and n columns. Matrix is denoted by the symbol like this. Okay, so matrix, how can you denote here? A equal to m rows and n columns. Let it be, this is the first row, first column element. This is the first row, second column element. This is first row, third column element. This is the first row, fourth column, and so on. This is first row, nth column element. Similarly, this is second row, first column element. Second row, second column element. Second row, third column element, and so on. This is second row, nth column element. So like this, if we go on like this, this will be mth row, first column element. This is mth row, second column element. This is mth row, third column element. This is mth row, nth column element. So generally, matrix is denoted by A equal to Aij m by n. A equal to Aij m by n. So where it is order of matrix. So where m by n is order of the matrix. So here what Aij indicates means I indicates about to which row it belongs. Okay, to which row element is belongs. J indicates to which column the element is belongs. Okay, so because this is a first row, this is a second row, this is a mth row. So similarly, this is a first column, second column, third column, nth column. Like this, we will have the so many elements. Okay, so now our definition of the matrix is over. So here I comma j is where I is always lies between 1 to m and j is always lies between 1 to n. Okay, so this is the thing. So now we will discuss the problems about how to construct a matrix. Okay, so how to construct a matrix. Okay, how to construct a matrix. So we will see now how to construct a matrix. So question is construct a 3/2 matrix. Construct a 3/2 matrix whose element 3/2 order matrix whose element Aij equal to I minus 2j whole square divided by 3. So I have to construct the 3/2 order matrix. So now 3/2 order means how many rows are there? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. How many columns are there? 2 columns are there. 1, 2. So totally how many elements will come? First row, first column element, first row, second column element, second row, first column element, second row, second column element, third row, first column element, third row, second column element. Totally 6 elements we will get. So A equal to Aij 3/2 I have to find out. So Aij. So how can I find out? Now first find out the, this is the A equal to first row first column element, first row second column element, second row first column, second row second column, third row first column, third row second column. So find out everything. So first find out a11 equal to 1 minus 2 into, because aij equal to, so here we'll write down again. So aij equal to I minus 2j whole square by 3. So which means what? So first find out the element a11. So a11 equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 whole square divided by 3. So 1 by 9 you will get. So similarly find out the a12. a12 is 1 minus 2 into 2 divided by 3 whole square divided by 3. So it's not whole square divided by 3 now. This is only 1 by 3, not 1 by 9. It is 1 by 3. So 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square 9 by 3 you will get 3 answer. So now let me look at the a21 means 2 minus 2 into 1 whole square divided by 3, so that you will get 0. So next a22 means 2 minus 2 into 2 whole square divided by 3, so that you will get 4 by 3. Next we have the element a31 is 3 minus 2 into 1 whole square divided by 3, you will get the 1 by 3. Next a32 is 3 minus 2 into 2 whole square divided by 3, this is also will get 1 by 3. Correct answer. So now let me construct a matrix. A equal to, now write the all elements a11, a12, a21, a22, a31, a32. This is our 3 by 2 order matrix. Okay, this is how we will construct a matrix. Okay, so like this we have to